Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video, I will show you Apple release new iOS 18 update, and in that update, you can see appears on screen the battery is locked to the owner. This part cannot be verified because it is from an iPhone with the activation lock open. So starting with iOS 18, if you are using any pull out genuine part of iPhone taken out from any other iPhone which was previously iCloud locked, then in iOS 18 you are in trouble because Apple will lock that part from using. If anyone you are using part of iCloud locked iPhone in your current iPhone, then don't update it on iOS 18. Otherwise, there is no solution for it. If you want to solve that, you must need to remove previous iPhone activation lock, then you can easily fix that. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know if you are using any genuine part of any previous iPhone that lock with activation lock, don't update your iPhone on iOS 18. So hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.